Ecobee Thermostat to application. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to add Ecobee Thermostat to application. So the process is quick and simple. First, make sure Ecobee Thermostat is installed on the wall and powered on. Then on your phone, download the Ecobee application from the App Store if you are an iPhone user or Google Play Store if you use Android. Then open the application and sign in or create a new account if you are a first-time user. Then in the application, after signing in, look for the option Add a new device. Tap on it and select thermostat from the list. The app will show a prompt to scan the registration code displayed on your Ecobee thermostat screen. Follow the on-screen steps to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi and complete setup. Once connected, the app will confirm it and you can start controlling your home's temperature remotely. And that's all. That's how you will be able to add Ecobee thermostat to application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.